Beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So on this video, I want to show you guys my Kikoff account because I finally paid it off. So I wanted to show you guys the process, but I want to show you what it looks like after you guys pay your $10 per month for 12 months. What's the process of actually getting your money back for 12 months, and now it's time for me to get my money back. Now I have been doing a lot of different tweaking with my credit, so I from the Kikoff account because I'm to a stage now where it's like I'm past Kikoff. I started the Kikoff account, and when I first signed up, my utilization was out of whack, so my credit score went up 37 points when I first signed up for Key. Actually went up from this, or if it even changed anything. But I wanted to show you guys the process. So what happened was I signed up for this Kikoff account. Your account is similar to the self account, where self you pay $48 per month, or 25, 35, or 150, depending on which one I pick to be in. But I paid $10 per month for this account, and I've been paying on it for 12 months. And as you pay, you should definitely increase your credit score. Now, I help a lot of people that have like challenged credit. That's my thing. I don't care what your credit is. I know what it's like to have to build your credit. So I teach you guys how to build your credit. And I see that when a lot of people get that, Kikoff does go up a lot. And I've seen a lot of great comments. If you guys go and look at the full YouTube channel, you guys are going to see a lot of great for a loan, or should I say an installment account, because you guys need, I say, have 4 revolving account on your credit report, because you don't have a car on your credit report or you don't have student loans, then I do suggest you get this one. At that time too, where my credit score went up 37 points, I had the student loans at that time. I had the card score still went up 37 points. So still go ahead and get it if you're trying to find out how you can increase your credit score. And my credit score utilization was out of whack. It's bad. But if your credit score is like over like a 620, 630, don't do it. I took a chance. I do want to say, like, if you guys don't need an additional account, getting this could hurt your credit score because you're messing up your age. Too, you can see possibly when that account is added, because you already have another account, that your credit score may go down. But if your credit score is under that 620, definitely trust. I wanted to kind of give you guys like some back end knowledge of everything. But let's look at what's the process to me, also what it's going to look like for you guys. So here is the Kikoff account. So if as you can see here, off loan, I don't have another payment day, I don't have anything due on it. So I saved $120 total. The account has been closed. Credit Karma also told me that my account, I had a new closed account on my credit reports. Usually when you have a closed account, your credit score probably is going to drop a little bit, but I would say don't be too alarmed by it. I first opened that account in 2022. It was closed in January 2023. There was no interest on it, you guys. I was just letting $10 per month for a year. So that's what it was. Let's look at the savings voucher. Okay, here's the savings voucher. Okay, let's go ahead and withdraw the money now. So let's see what that process is going to look like. Withdraw your savings now. Transfer bank account. Okay, so I got to set up my bank account through here, you guys, and transfer. So let me go ahead and put this information in, and then I'm going to show you guys. But let me start typing this information. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna tell you what it looks like as I'm dicing all my information. So click on what bank account you have, click on continue, in my banking information as soon as it connects. So I have to log into my account with my bank. I'm gonna start doing that now. I'm logging in now, you guys. Verification is required. Go ahead and click continue. They're asking me for a one-time password. They're going to text it to me. I put in my code right now that they're going to text to me. Okay, I have the code, so I'm just putting in my code. And it's not the code that popped the wrong code in. You open up the full text message, click submit. I want it to go in. I'm going to have it go into this account. Click continue. Hold on, let me go click which ones I don't want it to. Okay, so just that one account. Continue. I agree to the terms. Click continue, you guys. Okay, so they're saying kickoff is done, setting it up, you guys. So I think I can. Okay, let me share the screen again, so you guys can see what it looked like. Okay, your account was linked. So now let's go back and see what we have to do. Click continue. Okay, so click continue. Okay, so my withdrawal date is today. I'm going to confirm the withdrawal. Your transfer is on a wake up to 7 days. And then that's it, I guess. So that's how I'm going to get my money back. So it's going to take 7. So now that account is no longer there, you guys. It's actually over here. This is that first Kikoff account that they had before, where they actually want you $12 and you had to sit in an account, and then you just paid them $1 per day. This is the one that had my credit score going up points when I first added the account, but it's very similar to the credit builder loan. It's very similar to that. Now you have that cash card. I never signed up for it. I'm not going to sign up for it. It's just a secure credit card, and I don't want to get a secure credit card, you guys. But it's definitely an option for those people that want a secure credit card, that you guys can actually go ahead and get. That is with MasterCard. This I still have right now. My current balance is $9. I'm paying $2 per month. And this, usually when you're gonna have $750 sitting here, you can't really use this money outside of Kikoff. They have their Kikoff store here where you can buy like ebooks or just pay for them to report. That's all you guys really doing. And I'm just paying $2 per month because I want them to report to the credit bureaus. They're not going to report to TransUnion with this. We want them to report to all three. Then you should go ahead and get that other account that they have. But that is how you get your money back after you guys pay off your loan. It's going to be as simple as that. The money's going to be back in my account. I guess if you guys want to follow up, leave a comment, ask when I got the money, how long it really took for the money to come back into my account, and then I will definitely let you guys know like how long it really took for it to come back in my account. You get your money back with Kikoff. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I have my Kikoff link down below so you guys can sign up for this same account. I told you guys, if you guys already have a 620 credit score, maybe 630, do not get this account, because it could lower your credit score. If you got a 630 because you're authorized user, or you don't have at least 4 credit cards or at least 2 installment accounts, then go ahead and get it. You probably have a great chance of it actually increasing. If you already have 2 installment accounts reporting, you already have 4 credit cards, and you're trying to find out, how can I get them extra points? Don't mess with that. Please count along. Go ahead and check out my free 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. Increase your credit score this way. Find increase it. It's free. Watch it. Learn how to increase your credit score, and then just take it from there. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I'm definitely here for you guys.